Thank God you're here. My name's Mac. Mr. Mac. I'm Marshall here in this town. Missed it. It's on the other side. Get confused. I gotta tell you what you're gonna do on this Friday before they find me. Alright, so let me get through it. Okay. Hopefully you guys are alive still after, COVID-19's coming through. I don't know. I got a hit on my life right now, so I could die at any moment. But let me go through quickly what you're gonna be doing today. So, what you got is a quick primary source location practice. All right, it's not too bad. All you gotta do is look at a certain topic. It's gonna be based on your month that you were born in. Okay, and you are going to explain this first. You got to explain the problem, okay, that is your issue that you're going to be studying, alright? You're going to find a primary source that deals with that topic, and then you're going to find a law that is passed in relation to the issue, okay? U.S. law, of course, okay? Everything United States, don't go anywhere else. So, I listed a pretty good website up here that you can use. It's got a good database of a bunch of sources, so you can take a look at those. It's not too bad, okay? So the topics are, if you were born in January and February, child labor. If you were born in March and April, unionization. May and June, meatpacking industry. I know, you're like, what the heck is that? July and August, business trusts. September and October, muckracking. November and December, the environmental movement. Okay, you gotta find all these things. Get it in there. It's gonna be a discussion questions. You're gonna post it. Take a look at everybody else's. Write those down in the notes because you're gonna want that information. All right. I'm literally probably gonna die because of giving you this information. You gotta make sure you have it. Okay. Otherwise, hopefully that work day went well yesterday. This is the last day of e-learning. You guys can get through it. I think we'll be good. Okay. So, well, looks like I made it another day. I think I'll be fine. But.